Since the outbreak of COVID-19, we have become a world obsessed with face masks. We wear them to protect ourselves, to protect others, and to allow us to move around freely without fear of infecting others. Here at Flinders University, our researchers are working to help respond to the COVID-19 pandemic and answer some questions about face masks. One of the key findings was that it doesn't matter how good the mask is, but if it doesn't fit properly, or if it is not used correctly, their efficacy can be significantly reduced. So here are some steps to help you. Wash or sanitize your hands. Place straps around ears and ensure a close fit around your nose and chin. When you take off your mask using the ear straps, don't touch the mask itself. Finally, wash or dispose of the mask after use. Working together, we can all help prevent the transmission of COVID-19. This video was produced with funding from the Department of Foreign Affairs, Australian ASEAN Council.